exercise 1.5, in which we have to rationalize the denominators of the following. Let us start the first part. In this we have to rationalize 1 by root 7. In this method, we have to remove in the rationalization we have to remove the under root from the denominator. So in this case we are given here 1 by root 7. So to remove the root 7, in numerator and in denominator both will multiply by root 7, means by the same number. So root 7 vanja root 7, and root 7 into root 7 will be 7, because we know that root x into root x is equal to x. So our answer is root 7 by 7. So we understood here rationalize means we have to remove the root sign, symbol of the radical or symbol of the root from the denominator. Now let us start part 2. In this part 2 we are given here 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. So to solve like this type of the problem, we have to take the opposite sign of this denominators which are given us in denominator. Its opposite sign will take. So 1 by root 7 minus root 6 will multiply by root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 plus root 6. Like this will multiply. Hence, when we will multiply numerator to numerator, then next step will be 1 into root 7 plus root 6 upon. Here we have the a plus b and a minus b. So we can apply the identity here, a square minus b square. So we'll write it root 7 square minus root 6 square. So when we multiply root 7 plus root 6 by 1, we get the same number, root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 square will be 7 by using this one, and root 6 square will be 6. So root 7 plus root 6 by 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. Hence the answer is root 7 plus root 6. Let us start part 3rd. In this we are given 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. So to solve this, we'll take the opposite sign here and we'll multiply both numerator and denominator. 1 upon root 5 plus root 2 multiplied by root 5 minus root 2 upon root 5 minus root 2. Now this numerator to numerator will multiply. So 1 into root 5 minus root 2 upon, here a plus b and a minus b. So we'll apply the identity here, a square minus b squares. So this can be written as root 5 square minus root 2 square. When we multiply any number by 1, we get the number itself. So here root 5 minus root 2 upon root 5 square will be 5 minus root 2 square will be 2. So root 5 minus root 2 upon 5 minus 2 is 3. This is the answer of 3rd. Now we'll start the 4th. In this also we'll take the opposite sign and we multiply both numerator and denominator. 1 upon root 7 minus 2 multiplied by root 7 plus 2 and root 7 plus 2. Numerator and denominator both are multiplied by root 7 plus 2, root 7 plus 2, which is the opposite sign of this minus. Now numerator to numerator will multiply root 7 plus 2 upon root a minus b and a plus b. Again we can apply the identity a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So I will write here root 7 square minus 2 square. Now root 7 plus 2 upon square of the root 7 will be 7 and square of the 2 will be 4. Here it was the root. Do you know here 7 raised to 7 is written in the root. It means 7 raised to power 1 by 2, because this root's meaning is power 1 by 2, and square means 2. So 2 to 2 will be cancelled. Hence what will remain here? 7. But square of the 2 will be 4. Root 7 plus 2, 7 minus 4 is 3. This is the answer.